In conclusion, making $50 in a single day with AI tools is entirely possible, and by sharing my step-by-step approach, I hope to inspire you to begin your own money-making journey. Remember, mastering just one AI tool can unlock your potential to earn, so choose wisely and stay focused. Don't forget to engage with the community and share your experiences. Can you really turn the power of AI into a reliable source of income? Today, I embarked on a journey to test that very question by putting 3 AI tools to the test. Each tool had a specific purpose, a plan in motion that aims to prove that anyone can leverage technology to boost their earnings. By the end of my endeavor, I was eager to see if my initial goal of $50 would be met. Throughout this experience, transparency would be key, ensuring that each step was accessible for viewers to replicate. As we dive into the details of my day, I'll reveal the insights I've gained while merging creativity with technology, all in a bid to showcase how achievable financial independence can be in our fast-paced digital world. After successfully harnessing the capabilities of ChatGPT, the AI image generator, and micro-task platforms, I realized the importance of adaptability. Not every strategy will work for everyone. Some may find more success with one tool over another. Reflecting on my journey today, I encourage you to experiment with different approaches, continuously refine your techniques, and don't hesitate to ask for help from these vibrant online communities. Remember, the real power lies in your persistence and willingness to learn and evolve as you navigate this AI-enhanced landscape. As you dive into your own experiments, keep in mind that success might take time, but every effort counts toward mastering these tools. Commit to consistency, set daily goals, and don't shy away from seeking feedback on your work. The AI landscape is ever evolving, and staying informed about new features and trends can give you an edge in your money-making endeavors. Embrace the journey, remain patient, and you'll see the fruits of your labor come to life. If you're ready to embark on your own adventure with AI tools, remember to track your progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Embrace creativity, explore various niches, and engage in community discussions to enhance your skills. The digital landscape is brimming with possibilities, and with determination and resourcefulness, you can achieve your financial goals using AI. So, which AI tool will you dive into first? Your journey awaits, and it's time to take action. Now that I've shared my process, let's recap the essential takeaways for your journey. Begin by identifying a tool that resonates with your skills and interests. This will make the learning curve much smoother. Then, gather resources, such as communities or tutorials, to further enhance your knowledge and understanding of your chosen AI tool. Stay committed, and don't forget to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, as each step brings you closer to your financial aspirations. Consistency truly is key, as the more you practice and apply your newfound knowledge, the more proficient you'll become. Your success story with AI tools starts now, so take the plunge and begin exploring. Can you really make money with AI tools? The answer is a resounding yes. As we've explored, maximizing your earnings involves a strategic approach and a willingness to adapt to different tools. The journey showcases that not only is it possible to earn $50 in a day, but it can also be an exciting process of learning and experimenting. Each AI tool presents unique opportunities, and embracing them can lead you to discover new ways to enhance your financial independence. It's time to harness technology and take that crucial first step into the world of AI-driven income. Your success is waiting just around the corner. If you're feeling unsure, remember to start small and build your confidence. Focus on tasks that feel manageable. Even dedicating just an hour a day can lead to significant progress over time, unlocking the potential to make your first $50 with AI tools. The results speak for themselves. And that's a wrap. By leveraging the power of AI tools, you can take control of your financial future and reach your earning goals. Embrace the journey, stay persistent, and remember, every small win counts in building towards greater success. Let's continue this adventure together and see what else we can achieve.